Scores of university students held protest on Tuesday in Indian capital New Delhi and southern Bengaluru city against the arrest of 22-year-old climate activist Disha Ravi on sedition charges for sharing an online toolkit to support the ongoing farmers' protest. They blame the move is aimed at silencing dissenters and an attack on free speech.
Scores of members of student organizations held protests in Indian capital New Delhi and southern Bengaluru city on Tuesday to demand the release of 22-year-old climate activist Disha Ravi, arrested on sedition charges for sharing an online toolkit to support the months-long farmers' protest. The protesters raised slogans condemning the arrest of Disha Ravi, who is linked with Swedish climate activist Greta Thunberg. They blamed the move was aimed at silencing dissenters and was an attack on free speech. Police have been cracking down on the farmer protests against new farm laws since a section of protesters stormed Delhi's iconic Red Fort on January 26 on India's Republic Day. Delhi police has accused the toolkit document co-authored by Disha contained details of a social media campaign and on-ground action to be conducted in January, including the protesters entering the Indian capital.
Here our biggest concern here is how does Delhi police do not find the actual culprits who disrespect the national monument on 26th and couldn't file an FIR up to 2 to 3 days, and all of a sudden finds a scapegoat in Bengaluru and comes all the way from Delhi to arrest one student related to the 26th riot. Now how can this practically connect dots?
Disha Ravi, who was detained in Bengaluru city and then moved to New Delhi this past weekend, is currently under a 5-day police custody. The Indian government has blamed vested interests and outsiders for misleading the farmers, as protests have drawn international support.